Hi there, welcome to another RPI Easy Sewing tutorial, and today we are going to show you how to complete your dart. Yesterday we had our intermediate garment sewing class and we covered darts along with other things, and just as a refresher for our students and for you to whom darts might be new, we just want to show you how you complete your dress darts as well as your bust darts. So come on, let's do this. So I have this fabric here that I'm going to show how to do the dart with, and I have gone ahead and mapped off the areas for my dart. Now you need to remember that when you are making a dress dart, your dress dart is really a combination of two darts. So the dart that you would have had on your bodice, darts that you would have had on your skirt. So the two darts are basically going to be combined to give you one dart. So you will notice that at the top, right here, I have the area where the dart will close. It will come down, it will open in this area, which would have been the waist area, and then it will come down again and close in the section would have gone down, which would have gone down from your skirt, maybe about 4 or 5 inches long. Okay, so my thread that I am working with is black, just so that you can see the difference. I am starting at my top point, and as always you reverse, and I am coming down in a triangular format. So I'm starting small, but because I know that I have to get larger at the center, I am already following that path. So you can see right here how I started the darts. Opened up as I got to the center, and this would have been my area with ½ inch, and then as I got down lower, I closed. Okay, so you have basically a diamond shape, and if we open, this is what it would look like. Okay, and then for our bust darts, you will notice that I notched in this area, and this is where my dart is going to start. I'm just going to use my soluble marker to mark off where my dart should end. Going to work on that now. Start. I'm just going to complete my bust darts, and of course we are starting with our reverse stitch, and then as you're starting large, but as you come to this point, you just want to be getting smaller until you get to that point. That way you have a gradual shape as opposed to something sharp, which will give you a pocket. Okay, so this is what our darts will look like. We have our side darts and our waist darts, and you can see already the effect that they create. So now I trust you are better equipped with knowledge on how to complete your darts, and I hope that you will be satisfied satisfied with the outcome of your project as a result. So feel free to leave a comment, leave a photo below of what it is that you have done, and of course we look forward to seeing you next time. Also, if you have not liked and you have not subscribed, do that this time.